We are pleased to show you the 2010 Fusion. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, fog lights, cruise control, trip computer, multifunction display, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.